How to manage private text chat on your account on blizzardbattle.net on PC. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do is go to Blizzard. This is the home page. Now log into your account and click on my account, click account settings, click on privacy and communication. Here click on update and you will find private text chat. Now you can manage it from here, allow or everybody or friends only. Choose the one that you want and click on it. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.